You ever make choices every day? Like, should I eat that last slice of pizza or not? Or repeat something, like scrolling TikTok for just 5 more minutes. Well, that's exactly what computers do too. They make decisions and repeat actions, but with logic instead of cravings. In this video, we'll break down conditions, loops, and arrays in TypeScript, all with easy real-life examples. Let's start with conditions, or what I call the decision makers. A condition simply checks if something is true or false. It's like the brain of your code. It decides what happens next. Here's what's happening. The computer looks at your age. If it's 18 or above, it says, you're an adult. If not, it says, you're still a teenager, just like your parents setting rules. If you clean your room, you can go out. If not, no Wi-Fi. You can also stack conditions using else if like this. Think of it like a teacher grading papers, different ranges, different results. That's conditions, code that decides. Now let's talk about loops, or as I like to call them, the repeat machines. Imagine your mom telling you to wash 10 dishes. You don't need 10 separate lines of code. You just repeat the action until all dishes are clean. That's what a loop does. It repeats code until a condition changes. The for loop runs 5 times, each time increasing I by 1. The output, dish 1 washed, dish 2 washed, and so on. Simple, right? There's also a while loop, which keeps going as long as a condition is true. Think of it like your energy bar while coding. It keeps looping until you run out of energy. Then, boom, you need coffee. Now for the third big one, arrays. Arrays are like boxes or shelves where you store multiple items using one name. Instead of creating 5 variables for 5 fruits, you make one array. Each item has an index. The first one starts at 0, so fruit 0 means apple, not banana. Computers love counting from 0. Don't ask why, they just do. Let's see what the output is going to be. So since we targeted index 0 and index 3, we got the first and fourth item. Why? Because arrays start from 0. So our first item is going to be apple, and the last item is going to be orange. And if we count from 0 to 3, that's the number of items we had in our array. So here's what you learned today. Conditions make decisions. Loops repeat tasks. Arrays store multiple items neatly. With just these 3 tools, you can already automate half your code. And in the next episode, we'll use all this to build something practical. Real projects that make TypeScript actually click. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe. And let's keep leveling up your TypeScript skills.